most welcome in statistics, 12 commerce. So third chapter, regression analysis, linear regression. Regression analysis is a statistical measure by the help of which it is possible to estimate the value of a non-variable or any value of non-variable. 99% some find estimate of y when value x are given. Two most IMP formula, y cap a plus byx into x. Second formula, a is equal to y bar minus byx into x bar. Chapter 3 is continuous process of chapter 2, same formula. So first, chapter 3, question first, estimate demand when price is ₹20. तो प्राइस जो फर्स्ट दिया है x, प्राइस x 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 21, sum of x sigma x 96. Estimate demand 100 units y, जो सेकंड है वो y, 18, 12, 10, 8, 7, 5. तो डिमांड मीन्स y, तो डिमांड मीन्स y, तो y फाइंड करना है आपको. And x are given 20. Price means x are 20, then y 5. तो सिंपल लेस देन 25 वैल्यू, तो मल्टीप्लाई जो xy and only x square. Simple, only 4 columns, sum will be solved. 12 into 18, 216. 14 into 12, 168. 15 into 10, 150. 16 into 8, 128. 18 into 7, 126. 21 into 5, 105. Total sigma xy 893. X square 12 square 144. 14 square 196. 15 square 225. 16 square 256. 18 square 324. 21 square 441. Sum of x square 1586. And number of observation n is equal to 6. N is equal to 6. x1 sigma x upon n, 96 upon 6, 16. Y bar sigma y upon n, 60 divided by 6 to 10. Regression line y1x, estimate y when price is equal to 20. Always 99% sum y find, x are given. First formula byx, n into sigma xy minus bracket sigma x into sigma y upon n into sigma x square minus sigma x whole square. N means 6, sigma xy 893. Minus sigma x 96, sigma y 60, and 6 sigma x square 1586, 96 whole square. 6 into 893, 5358. Minus 96 into 60, 5760. 6 into 1586, 9516. 96 square 9216 minus 402. Divide 300. Byx is equal to minus 1.34. A y bar minus byx into x bar. y bar 10 dyx minus 1.34 x bar 16 minus into minus plus 21.44 a 31.44 y cap a plus dyx into x a 31.44 dyx minus 1.34 value of x are given 20 minus 1.34 into 20 26.8 final answer y cap 4.64 into 100 because demand are given in 100 units. Demand are given in 100 units. 4.64 into 100 464 units. So very simple correlation. I solve this method. Now next second method, when x bar and y bar are integral value. Integral value means perfect answer x bar and y bar. Perfect answer, not a point. Always perfect answer. So simple formula Byx sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar upon sigma x minus x bar whole square, where x bar and y bar are perfect answer. आप कोई भी मेथड से सम सॉल्व कर सकते हो. ये मेथड इसलिए कि वैल्यू लेस देन 25 और वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन 25 हो तो आप ये भी मेथड सॉल्व कर सकते हो. तो एवरेज रेनफॉल एस्टिमेट द crop y. Average rainfall x 35 centimeter. 25, 32, 38, 29, 31. Sigma x 155. Crop in tons y 8490958893 Sigma x 155, sigma y 450, n is equal to number of observation 5. Sigma x by n 150 divided by 531. Y bar sigma y by n 450 divided by 590. X bar 31. X minus x bar 25 minus 31 minus 6. 32 minus 31 1, 38 minus 31 7, 29 minus 31 minus 2, 31 minus 31 0. Y bar y minus y bar 84 minus 90 minus 6, 90 minus 90 0, 95 minus 95, 88 minus 90 minus 2, 93 minus 93. Simple multiply 36 0 7 5 35 minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 0 into 3 0 total 7 5 x minus x bar whole square minus 6 square 36 1 square 1 7 square 49 minus 2 square 4 0 square 0 total 90. Regression line y on x, estimate y, x is equal to 35. Value of x are given. Formula sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar upon sigma x minus x bar whole square. 75 by 90 Byx 0.83. A equal to y bar minus Byx into x bar. 90 minus 0.83 x bar 31. Multiply 25.73 64.27. Value of A 64.27, Byx 0.83, x 35. and final answer 93.32 tons. Y is equal to. So choose method very simple. First x y and x square. By x n into sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y upon n into sigma x square minus sigma x no whole square. Second method, when x bar and y bar are integral value, perfect answer. By x sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar upon sigma x minus x bar whole square. When y are found, two formula are common. First, y cap a plus byx into x, and second, a is equal to y bar minus byx into x bar.